Yo, it's YJX, which stands for Yongjin Xiak Niao. Today I have some Vanguard stuff for sale. Yeah, first I want to show you this play map. Yeah, it's not in a very good condition. Yeah, because there's a scratch line over here. Yeah, so I'll be selling this at $5. Yeah, and I also have my deck. My Nova Grappler deck. Yeah, this is a very good deck. Yeah, I'm selling it for $150. Yeah, which is kind of crazy because it's a good deck. Yeah, this is the starter card. Yeah, I have the one perfect defense, and I have this. Yep. This too. Yeah, this. Let me see. You also have this. Yeah, actually I lost this deck, but I just found out that it was actually in my cupboard all the time. Yeah. Okay, one more Nova Grappler perfect defense. This, and this. Yeah, the same. And this, king, this, hey, let me show you this, and this. Yeah, and this, it's also a double rare card. And this, and okay, this, yeah, and this foils the grid trees. Yeah, it's a triple R. Okay, it's a triple R too. Yeah, triple R. This too, and this. Yeah, it has like, let me see. Okay, how many foils does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, there are 11 foils inside. Okay, so I'll be selling this deck for $180 with the sleeve, which is kind of crazy. I know. Okay, so let's see I have also some common cards for Nova Grappler. As this, yeah, all will be 50 cents. Yeah, this is a common card, 50 cents. Yeah, the 1Rs will be $1. Yeah, this is a 1R card. This common card. This. Yeah, all real, not fake. And the sale will only be in Singapore. Okay, but some cards are not really in a mint condition. And this, the starter card. Okay, now I also have some dividers that I make myself. I have 4 of it. Yeah, I'll be selling it for 20 cents. Yeah. Okay, now take a look at my Kagero deck. Yeah, here's the starter card. Okay, so I have this foil. Yeah, as you can see. This Dian, Draconic Overlord Dian. This Blair, Kagero, Perfect Defense. One more, Draconic Overlord Dian, Draconic Overlord Triple R. One more. Yeah, another Perfect Defense for the Kagero. And this another Draconic Overlord Dian, another Draconic Overlord Triple R, and this Rocky Monster, don't know what's his name. Okay, and this. And this Draconic Overlord. Okay, these cards are all real and there's no fake. Okay, this has 12 criticals and 8 heals, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 14 foils in this deck, and it will cost you much more than the previous deck. This will cost like $220. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, and that's all for today.